which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category room category 3. Room category 4. We talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Yeah, check it. Yes, love to enjoy the surroundings. So please and offers are available online for this hotel along with various new and scientific policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. To view more videos, check link in description box. If you are facing